Here's my response. The skinny bill as policy is a disaster. The skinny bill as a replacement for Obamacare is a fraud. The skinny bill is a vehicle to get in conference to find a replacement. It is not a replacement in of itself. The policy is terrible because you eliminate the individual employer mandate, which we all want eliminated, but we actually have an overall solution to the problem of Obamacare. So you're going to have increased premiums, and most of Obamacare stays in place if the skinny bill becomes law. Not only do we not replace Obamacare, we politically own the collapse of health care. I'd rather get out of the way and let it collapse than have a half-ass approach where it is now our problem.
Finally, I'd just like to say, again, in my state, Obamacare. As I stated earlier this week, I'm not supportive of the legislation as it stands today. I am in close consultation with Arizona Governor Doug Ducey regarding the so-called skinny repeal and its potential impact on the state of Arizona. My position on this proposal will be largely guided by Governor Ducey's analysis of how it would impact the people of our state. My friends, this is legislation that directly affects the lives of the people in my state. I trust my governor. I trust his people. And he is looking carefully at this. He is looking carefully at the skinny bill repeal, but he's also looking at steps that need to be taken in addition to it. So I am convinced that we can move forward, but we have to have an assurance that it will go to a normal conference. Right now, that is not the case, and we do not have the assurance that is the case. It needs to be fixed. We have fixes, but it's got to be done in the... We passed Obamacare in 2009. It split us. It split us dramatically, and it split us for years. It's time we sat down together and came up with a piece of legislation that addresses this issue. And don't think this issue is just out there sitting by itself. In my state, we are down to one health care provider in every county. Major reasons why I've been in constant contact with the governor of the state of Arizona, who bears large responsibility.